There are a bunch of useful taps and gestures you can use while watching your TikTok videos. So I want to show you all of the helpful taps and enhance your user experience. Firstly, let's open the app and use this video as an example. First thing you can do is you can like the video, but not by pressing this like button. You can just double tap on the screen and now you just like this video. Let's do it again. I'm gonna double tap on the middle of the screen. And as you can see, it is immediately liked. The next thing we can do is we can long press on the edge of the screen to fast forward the video. So with this way, we can make it 2x speed. You can see this marking on the bottom of the page. Now, the next thing we can do is we can long press on the comment icon to open the quick reactions menu. You can tap on any emoji and immediately leave this comment. You can press and hold your comment and delete it. Now, you can also long press the share button and open the list of 4 or less than 4 your favorite friends with whom you chat often. So you can just click on the person and immediately send this video. Now, what else you can do is you can long press on the middle of the screen till this menu will pop up. From here, you can share this video, you can make a repost so anyone can view your shared video. You can also report if there is a problem. You can download the video to your device, add to your TikTok story. Here, you can also change playback speed. We did fast forwarding with 2x speed, right? But here we can also change it to the 1.5 or 0.5. Just like that. As you can see, the video became slower. So you can not just fast forward, you can also make it slower. Now let's go back and I'm going to change it to normal. And here you can also press and hold the screen, swipe to the left and add captions. So you can enable this feature and when someone will be talking in the videos, you can see the captions and subtitles on the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.